Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, hello, my name is Andrea and I do hope you stick around and check out some other videos. I'm really excited for today's video because I will be unboxing and reviewing another amazing outfit by Rave Australia, and this time we have a wonderful marvelous coat, a corset top and a pair of gloves, and together they make an awesome outfit. I cannot wait to show you guys. I was thinking of either pairing it with a skirt or maybe a pair of amazing leggings from Rave Australia, but we'll see. Let me just show you what the items look like on Rave Australia's website. So this is the coat and it's truly beautiful and I love the design of it so much. It's actually woolen, so I'm sure it will keep me quite warm too. I got the coat in a size FS and I double checked my measurements with the size chart that's available when you swipe all the way to the end of the pictures. You can also use these little dots under the picture in order to check for yourself. You can do that for all Rave Australia items, but if you're not sure at all, don't hesitate to contact them because they're the most wonderful people I've ever got the pleasure of talking with. So this is the corset. I will just flip through the pictures. Isn't it absolutely wonderful? I got the corset in a size FS, as I always do with Rave clothing. The only item that I go a size up is leggings and pants usually, but I don't think I will have an issue with the corset. It looks absolutely wonderful. I love all the details and I cannot wait to see what it looks like in real life. The gloves are an amazing addition to this outfit. They have an amazing design and I really love the details on the gloves as well, and the rivets are an amazing addition to an overall amazing looking accessory. So yeah. So this is the parcel. It arrived in about a week, but customs usually keep the parcel there until I go and pick it up because usually you have to pay a custom fee. I don't know the rules in every country, but in Romania, for example, you have to pay a custom fee and that is not more than a couple of euros. But I just thought you should know that that may happen if you live in Europe like I do. So without further ado, let's see what we have in here. There we go. And as always, they take care to bubble wrap your clothing. Oh my god, this is so well packaged. Let me just try and get the clothing out of the bubble wrap and I'll be right back. There we go. So we have 3 Rave bags in here and this is the smallest one, so I'm sure those are the gloves. Maybe I'm gonna start with the gloves since it's the one on top, and we'll move down to the coat, which is the biggest one. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh, I can already see the velvet. Oh my god, oh my god. Hello. So these are the wonderful velvet and lace applique gloves. They also have these black rivets and oh my god, they look absolutely amazing. Just look at that. I'm just gonna try them on now because, you know, they're gloves and we can do that. I don't know if I can show you properly, but over here on the inside you also have 2 buttons that you need to button up. There we are. I got one button. I'm gonna try and close the second one too. Oh, there we go. That wasn't hard at all, actually. Oh my god, just look at that. Just look at, oh, how beautiful this is. You also have this little thingy here that goes around your finger like that. So the glove doesn't move around and it stays in place and it looks like that. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my god, I love the rivets. They look absolutely wonderful. Actually really adore the combination of the lace appliques here and the velvet. Oh, so beautiful! So beautiful. I really love it. The gloves are to die for. I really love them. They're so elegant and they're made from this stretch black velvet fabric and black positioning lace. the black rivets that decorate the lace part are made out of plastic, so they're not very heavy at all. So yeah, I'm overall really happy with the gloves. I think they are amazing, they're really elegant, and I cannot wait to wear them. Let's move on to the second bag, and for sure this is the corset. I'm sorry. Just, oh my god. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god. I'm sorry, you guys cannot see this. It has this little elastic here, and I think they put that there so it won't open up during transit, and that's really smart actually. There we go. I managed to take those out so you can see the wonderful, amazing velvet corset. Oh my god! Look at that. It has so many details. And of course, I love the little tassel on the breast area. And oh, okay. I'm gonna just open it up a bit so I can see what it looks like on the inside. Oh! So it has a proper lining with the modesty panel over here, and I just wanted to show you the cups because it actually has built-in cups. I can feel them, and yeah, I'm really excited. I cannot wait to actually try it on because usually I wear corsets that are under bust corsets, and I don't usually wear these types of ones that are, you know, over bust. I don't know if you can see all the details. I'm going to insert some close-ups so you guys can see it, but we, apart from the tassel part, which I really love, we also have the same kind of rivets that we have on the gloves, so the same plastic ones over here, and I just love the lace up here. It's so beautiful. The corset is made out of this luxurious velvet fabric with some amazing lace inserts, and it has some three-dimensional flower appliques and the black tassels, which I really love. The front has the usual metal corset clips down the center front, and also in the back you can see the adjustable velvet roping, and it's really amazing. I really love it. I cannot wait to actually wear it and see what it looks like, because it's absolutely beautiful. I love it so much. Oh, I'm really happy. I am such a corset lover, and this is a wonderful piece. It truly is, and I cannot wait to wear it. So yeah, let's move on to the biggest and heaviest parcel, which is the coat. Okay. Let's try and take it out. There we go. Oh, there we have it. I will just unravel it because it's absolutely huge. I'm sure you'll get a better feeling of what it looks like when I wear it and you can see it worn, because I'm for sure not going to do it justice right now because it's absolutely wonderful. So this is the front part with the high neck over here, and I don't know if you can see. I'm just gonna take out the tags so you can see the wonderful zipper in the front, because oh my god, it has an amazing decoration. There we go. So the zipper has an amazing rose decoration here, and you will see it for sure in the close-ups. And then it cuts here in the front and it unravels in an A-line sort of thing. You know what this coat really reminds me of? Daenerys Targaryen had something similar in season 8, I believe. So yeah, it looks really amazing. I can really feel the woolen fabric. I'm sure it's going to be really warm. And of course, these are the sleeves. They are huge, they're amazing, they flare out. I really love it. And in the back, this is what it looks like, and it has these two amazing buttons over here in the back. It's so beautiful. The thing I loved about the coat is the fact that it has these amazing extended sleeves that are decorated with little rosette lace. The front of the coat has some amazing lace details that make it simply irresistible, and the back has an interesting design as well that features little metal gem buttons. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has so many details. So because I'm really curious, let's move on to me wearing the whole outfit so you can see what it looks like. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you like the sort of videos that I make. A big thank you goes out to Rave Australia, as always, for sending me these amazing pieces. What can I say? I am always in love with their design and the quality is always there. And I really appreciate the clothing, and I feel very fortunate to have them in my wardrobe. So thank you, and see you all in my next video. Bye.